To check your transaction history on ArtStation, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform efficiently to find your purchase records. Step 1. Log in. Visit the ArtStation website and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you have your credentials ready for a smooth login process. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, then select Account Settings from the options provided. Step 3. Navigate to Transactions. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Transactions or Purchase History. Click on this section to view a list of all your transactions made on the platform. Step 4. Review your history. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Download or export if available. If you need a copy of your transaction history, check for an option to download or export the data. This feature may be available in the Transactions section, allowing you to save your history for personal use. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on ArtStation. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the help section on the website for more assistance.